Hi all, welcome to my channel Realms of Joy, and yet again I am here to show you some of the cuttings that can be propagated in water. So this is the part 2 of it. So the first plant for today is a philodendron plant. Now this plant has been on my wish list for quite long, and this is a very nice and beautiful plant. This is as good as a money plant. It has the same set of requirements just like a money plant. So what I've done, I've taken a cutting from a main plant and it has grown some roots as you can see, and I've put this in a glass bottle having water. It has got some pebbles in the bottom area, and this has got the same requirements as of a money plant, where you just need to put this in a well lit area of your room and or on your windowsill, and it is good to go. It will survive, and you can easily propagate this. So the next plant that I have today is a snake plant. This can be easily propagated in water. So let me show you how I did this. This is a glass bottle where I have kept this. So just take a cutting from a leaf. And this is the cutting that we have taken from the main plant. And we can directly place it in a bottle in water. So this way also you can propagate it, and the best thing about this plant is that you can cut this into multiple small parts and you can put it in water. They will also propagate. So let me show you that. Just make sure that the bottom area which has been cut is in water, and this is how you can propagate a snake plant. So let me show you some of the leaves that I had propagated earlier. So this is my another plant which I had propagated out of the leaves. I have transferred this in a soil in a small pot, and as you can see, this was the original leaf which I had cut. And now this has got propagated in a very nice way. We have so many new leaves coming out. So this is a very successful propagation. This takes around 1 month if it will sit in water. So it will take around 1 month to start showing roots. And once it is the roots are there, then you can easily transfer it in the soil. So this was my second plant. Now the next plant that I have here is a very easy plant which all of us know, and this is also called as a beginner's plant, which is a money plant which you can easily propagate. All you need to do is just take the stem just below the node and you can put it in water. So you can see the roots have formed very nicely. So these were my water propagation plants out of stem cuttings. So the rule of thumb behind any water propagation stem cutting is that you have to just cut it just below the node, just right from the place where the leaf is coming, and just put it in bottle filled with water. And all you need to do is just change the water once a week and keep it in an indirect sunlight area. On maybe in a windowsill or a well lit area. So that's how you can propagate. So until we meet next time, bye bye, see you all.